Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video series we are going to make an e-commerce store using WordPress. I will guide you from scratch to the publication of the website. Let's get started. To make an e-commerce store we will follow these steps. In step 1, I will teach you how to install WordPress. In step 2, I will teach you how to install the theme. But before we start there are some prerequisites that need to be done. You should have to buy a hosting. And that domain. To buy hosting and domain there are many websites available online. Some of the best websites are Hostinger, GoDaddy and Namecheap. Once you have bought the hosting and domain you need to sign in. As I have bought my hosting and domain from Hostinger, let's navigate to Hostinger. Once I am successfully signed in, on the dashboard you will see the hosting and domains. Now at the hosting, click the Manage. And go to the websites and click Auto Installer. Here you have to select WordPress. Now enter your site title. Type the password of your choice. And click Advance. Now select the domain that you have already purchased. Then click Next. Now click Install. The WordPress will be installed. Here in the dashboard you will see multiple options. Click on the admin panel and you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. Now to view your site click on the site name and click View Site. Here you will see your website. Now you have successfully installed your WordPress. Now go to the dashboard. To install the theme you need to go to Appearance and collect themes. Here you will see the list of the themes that have already installed. Now to add a new theme. Click Add New Theme. And search Blocksy. Click Install. Then activate theme. Now your theme has been activated. You will see an option called Install Blocksy Companion. It will give you multiple options to customize your website. Now click on the starter site. And select the theme of your choice, and click Import Now. Click on Install Child Theme. And click Next. Select Elementor. And click Next. Again Next. And then Install. Your sample website will be imported to your website. Now click on the View Site. Here you will see that e-commerce site theme has been successfully installed. Now go to the Customize. Here you can customize your website according to your choice. You can change the layout, width, height, margins, paddings, buttons, colors, and many more things that you want to change. You can see multiple options and you can select of your choice. When you have done your customization, click on the Publish button. And your site will be updated accordingly. We will further customize the site in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video.